Hey, this is Russell Ahmed Sujon. I am an data entry specialist.
I'm a hardworking and driven individual who doesn't afraid to face a challenge. I'm very much passionate about my work and I know how to get the job done. I would describe myself as an open and honest person who doesn't believe in misleading other people and trying to be fair in everything I do.
My working field is data entry, data analysis, data mining, data extraction, analytical presentation, Google spreadsheet, Google Docs, PDF conversion, PDF to Word, Word to PDF, translation, writing, etc. Last 2 years, I was an active employee at Supply Line Limited. My role was data entry operator. Right now, I am available here as a full-time freelancer. Looking to hire a skilled data entry expert? Don't worry, I will help you. Who can ensure your business records are accurate and up to date. If you are unsure where to start, don't worry. I have got you covered. Thank you.